Hi, welcome to the attic. Today's episode will be another one in the series Will It Fix? Someone gave me this Onkio Surround Receiver, told it has a problem. As I understand, it has a hiss from one of the channels. I am a little suspicious about one thing. We're going to check it out and check if it is possible to let it fix. So, come join me. The first thing we're going to do is to start it up and check what this hiss is all about. It is not much, but as I understand, it comes and goes. It does not matter which button I press, do not react on the volume. So I suspect it is a part of the power amplifier. So we're going to crack it open and see if we can make some measurements. We cracked open. So let's see how to turn this so you have the possibility to see anything. Not that way. Maybe that can work. There we go. Let's see if I can find a pointer. What I think the issue, I have experienced that kind of noise in an amplifier before, and that time it was this power transistors, and we're going to check it was the right channel, and the right channel is this one and this one. So I'm going to power up and I'm going to use the scope, the oscilloscope, to see the signal into the transistor and also out from the transistor. Yeah, we can all hear the noise. Let's see. Let's see if I manage. This was more than difficult. I was trying to make some measurements and making a video at the same time. Every time I tried to put the probe at the correct place, my head was in the way, so you could not see anything but the top of my scalp. So I did it this way. I have a still picture, and I'll let you see the results on the oscilloscope. As you can see, every time I touch the emitter, then we see some noise. So it's obvious it is something about these transistors. This was kind of funny. While I was testing it, this noise, this hissing noise, all of a sudden disappear. So I stopped testing, just to wait and see if it would start hissing again. Did not, and it has been standing on for about 4 hours now, and still no noise at all. If it is working, well, it's not playing anything now. Let's see if it's working. Yes, it does. It's working. Stop hissing. It's deadly quiet. So, would it fix? Yes, somehow, but I did not fix it. It's kind of fixed itself. Or maybe it was nothing wrong with it at all. That I really don't know, and I guess we will never have an answer for that. But anyway, it would fix. And then this video is very close to its end. I have to thank you all for watching and for your support, and for those of you who are new, you have this like and subscribe. Click it. It is free. And you also, and if you also click this notification bell, then you get a notification next time I post a video. So until next time, bye!